Alright, so the very first thing I am doing is I'm going to cut the top. So you can see I've got a center section down the top, or I shouldn't say down, across the top of the head, which I'm coming straight up and establishing that length for the top. That length is the guide for the rest of the top. So now I have taken opposite sections and I'm using that first section as the guide to know how short to cut the rest of the sections. What I mean by opposite is you could see the very first section I took was from the forehead to the back. Now the sections I'm taking are from ear to ear, right? Side to side. So I'm going to cut the top first. Once we cut the top, we will go ahead and address the sides and back. Alright, so now I've got my clippers in my hand, and what I'm doing is I've got a guard onto the clippers and I'm working my way up the head and scooping out as I get closer to the top. By scooping out, I'm leaving that hair a little bit longer so that it blends in with the top. I've got, I believe, the third shortest guard on my clippers. We didn't want to go skin tight, so we wanted to leave a little bit of length on the sides and back, which is why we've got a little bit of a longer clipper, and I'm going to work my way from the right side to the back and then do the left side. Alright, so I've got the right side done. Now I'm going to do the exact same thing here on the left side. Alright, so we decided to do some scissor over comb in the back. So as you can see, we used the clippers on both the right side and the left side, but here in the back we decided to switch it up a bit and just do some scissor over comb. Alright, so now it's time to cut the bangs just to lighten them up so they're lighter and not as heavy and won't tend to fall down on my model's face. This way when he dresses it up, they're going to be a lot lighter. Alright, so we've come to the end of this haircut. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We left the sides and back a little bit longer than we normally do. We usually take it down quite tight, but this particular case, my model wanted to leave it a little bit longer, so we did. Well, if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Any questions or comments, put them down in that comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and as always, I want to thank you for watching.